Guess who's back? My mom, Diane Hunter, to talk about those Callaways, who we love. They are so trustworthy and amazing with selling and buying homes.
Oh, they really are, and they can sell all over the valley. Some people don't realize that they really do go all over the valley, not just in Scottsdale. And they are honest, they have integrity. If you're buying or selling a home, you really need to think about giving them a call.
That's true, and I hear you have an amazing one to tell us about today.
I do, and if you have a large family and need more room, or maybe you just have lots of guests and wish you had more bedrooms, then take a look at this stunning 6-bedroom, 4-bath home. It's located at 5726 Everett Drive in Scottsdale. And this beautiful 4,000 square foot home sits on a corner lot and has 2 master suites.
Oh, that's awesome.
I know. Formal living space includes vaulted ceilings, new low-E dual-pane windows and designer neutral paints, and a wood-burning fireplace.
Oh, beautiful.
Yeah, and next the kitchen. Oh, you'll love the kitchen. It's a culinary delight. This eat-in kitchen has slate-finish appliances and hardwood floors. Isn't it great?
That's really nice.
You'll also enjoy a 1,984 square foot fully finished basement with well-appointed wet bar, and there's even laundry facilities on both levels. I mean, that's really nice,
awesome.
isn't it?
Yeah.
And wait until you see the backyard. Oh my gosh. The pool is backdropped by a raised garden bed. There are covered and open air patios, a lawn, and built-in barbecue. It's just a lovely backyard.
That sounds
Everybody
fantastic.
would love it.
Yeah.
And there's also an RV gate and parking. Now,
We've got everything.
all of this,
For what?
are you ready?
Yes.
$699,000.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, obviously this is a
Somebody
must-see.
needs a larger home with more bedrooms. This is a must-see.
And if this isn't the one that they want, obviously they'll have what they want. So they
Those
just need to call.
Callaways have lots of other choices.
Yep. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you.